Hi, welcome back. So I don't have a lot of time. It's currently 11:11 and I want to crochet a gift for my friend that I want to give to her tomorrow. And I work at 3. I have to leave latest 2:30, so I don't have a lot of time to do this. So I'm gonna give you a haul real quick. I went to Michael's and Hobby Lobby. I got the yarn I needed because, sorry, what I'm making is this, as she has requested, and I just didn't have the yarn, so I went to go get it. So I got the yarn for that. So I got pink, white, yellow, I can't remember why I got this red, but now I have it, so it's mine. And got this candle because I like how this makes my car smell. I wish I could put my phone somewhere that you can hear me better. This fabric that has like tulips on it. Let me try to find one that you can see like tulips on it. It's really pretty. And then this other pink one, just for other projects. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead, pull up the video, and we're gonna start working on these strawberries. Okay, so what I also need is a 3.5mm hook. So we gotta find that. Don't judge me, I have under the bed. I wanna say it's this. 2.25, not it. Alright, so I needed 3.5. I have 3.25. I have 2 of them for some reason. I don't think I have one. So what would be better? Using 325 or 375? I'm gonna just use the 25. Got my computer right here. We're gonna pull up the YouTube video. It hopefully shouldn't take me too long to do this, but you never know with my attention span these days. So it's gonna be pink strawberries, green leaves, and then I'm gonna do red seeds. That's why I got the red yarn. It's all making sense now. And then the flowers, I'll just look for a tutorial later. We're using this tutorial. Load that up. Okay. So I finished one. I still have this long string attached to it just because I'm not sure how I'm gonna be doing the whole like hanging part of it. So I just have this long string just in case I need it for some reason. But later. So cute! I'm gonna go ahead and do another one and I will be back. Okay, so I have finished both. I forgot I was doing this string thing and then I hid it inside the strawberry. Very, very smart of me. And now let me look at the picture. I think what I should do next is figure out the flower. Yeah, I think what I might do next is try to figure out the flower. So let me see who has a tutorial for that. We got something going on. Sorry I didn't show you anything. I'm just trying to figure it out right now, but this tiny little ring thing, this is what we have so far. Cute! Oh my god, wait! Why is that so cute? Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Okay, there it is. I think that is super cute. It is like really big though. I don't know, I'm gonna go ahead and do another one. Be right back. They're both done. It's slightly smaller. I think I'm just gonna use both of them just because they're like relatively the same size. I guess the smallest difference. Strawberries and flowers are done. Now I have to figure out this stem or like what it's gonna be hanging on. Here's the thing, I want it to be like long to hold like the strawberries, but I don't want it to be super long that like, you know, it's like hitting the dashboard. I feel like this is good. I did 80, so I guess we'll see. I'm just gonna attach it from the top because like obviously nobody's gonna be pulling on it like crazy. It's just gonna be hanging there, but just to be safe I want to make sure it's secure. All right, one strawberry hanging. You know what's funny, like everything I crocheted so far is like strawberry related, but this one wasn't even my idea. This was somebody wanted this, you know, so it's not just me. So what I did, I tied it in the back with a little yellow string, grab the yellow yarn to here, and then I'm just putting it through some of the back loops of the flower. So that one, and then on this side, and make them a little more even, and place it how you want it on the strawberry. And then I want to not make it super tight so that if it needs to be moved, you can. So yeah, like you can move it up or you could twist it to the side if it's not positioned how you want it. The fact that I actually did this, and she can move the flowers up if she wants them to be higher. I think what you could do, like instead of tying it, you could literally just hang it like this. Like that would work just fine. Like literally you can make this like so quick and easy. This is so adorable and I really hope she likes it. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna see if I can package this up really cute. Okay, my room is an actual disaster because I just went through it trying to find all these things. Along with these strawberries, I'm gonna give her this bracelet that I made. That is just a blue bracelet with hearts on it. I also got stickers that have like my little Etsy logo on it. I got a little envelope and some tissue paper to wrap it up. I have little cat stickers. This is not the prettiest cut. I'm just hurrying because I'm not trying to get to work late. So I'll do this and this just to hold it together. I don't know if they're like, I do randomly just like put up my bracelets on Etsy, and when people buy them I love giving them like little stickers on it because I just think that is the cutest thing. It's being held up by a little cat. That's what the front looks like. You can like see through it. This guy. But like I literally use this for nothing. Like I just got them because they were adorable. So that one's being held up by that little cat. Next up, the strawberries. It's giving suspicious. One of my little stickers with the little logo on it, and put that back here. And ta-da! Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like it if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below of any other videos you would like me to do. I'll see you next time. Bye!